Hi there, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making a pizza dough. So I'm going to start doing it now. I got everything here. And I'll start by putting the flour in the bowl. Okay, I'm just going to keep some. So I'll just make a well inside the bowl. Okay, put on salt. And this is yeast. So now I'm going to start with the water. Lukewarm water. Nice and easy recipe and quick. I'm gonna use my hands. Really, it doesn't take long to make this dough. Okay, I'm gonna put the rest of the flour. Put it around there. Some more water. And you just work the dough inside the bowl. Okay, as you can see, it's all almost, coming along. Just get, with the spatula, just get everything from the sides until you get everything. And it's done. So now I'm gonna put it to rice. I usually put mine in the oven with a little light that I have in there. So the rice is faster. Okay. So now I'll put a lid on. You can put saran wrap, but I'm gonna just leave it like this. And I'm gonna put it in the oven. Like I said, I'll leave a little light. And I'll show you when I take it out because it's gonna double the size. And it's ready to use it. Though it's ready, it's good. So I'm just gonna get a little flour, punch it down, and it's ready to use. So now I'm gonna put it in a Ziploc bag. I'm gonna use it when I need it. Okay? And you can put a little flour. So ready to go in the fridge for when I need it, or you can put it in the freezer. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.